Welcome to the beginner-level Android development course provided by Edifyself. Through this course, student will learn about the history of Android development, Android features, framework, and the vital Android concepts. Birth of Android. In 2003, Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White established Android Incorporated of Palo Alto, California. They created an operating system for mobile devices which had an idea of the geography of the user and their personal preferences. Later in 2005, Google acquired Android. What is Android? Android is a globally renowned mobile platform. It is used in more than 190 countries by more than 1 million mobile devices. It is also a fast-growing and widely installed mobile-based platform. Android is used daily for connecting with apps, games, and other digital media services. It is also the best in-class platform for app and game creation, and offers instant distribution as an open marketplace. The new versions of Android by Google have several other features. It is also interesting to note that every Android release is named after a desert in the alphabetical order. The technical features of Android. Android is based on Linux kernel and is an open-source operating system. It was created mainly for smartphones and tablets with a touch screen. Android's architecture is 4-layered, with the Linux kernel layer at the bottom, followed by a rich application framework layer for supporting new applications, and applications layer at the top. Android is the widely sold OS since 2013 for tablets and smartphones. Let us see why Android is a preferred platform. The following 7 reasons point out why Android is a most sought-after platform. Easy accessibility. 84% of smartphones in market use Android. Any programmer with Java skills and Android SDK can access Android easily. Also, Android SDK has the capacity to create innovative and new mobile apps. Innovative and creative. Android as an open-source platform allows easier and diverse operation. It also encourages creativity and motivates developers to be innovative. This greatly improves the quality and functionality. Capacity to install from any source. Android allows the easy installation of app from any source. It is the tools in SDK that allows easy installation of app on the device or from command line. The apps can also be tested on several devices. Easy entry. For app development in Android, one can register as a developer in Android market. All they need to do is create APK and submit it. Following this, the approval process is easy, with a lower entry barrier when compared to its competitor App Store, making the whole process convenient. Huge market share. Android has a high market share due to large investments, accounting to 84% of market share. It has been estimated that over 1 billion devices being shipped in 2015. Android app development also leads to more downloads, which is a good progress. Easier to learn. Android platform is easy to learn in comparison to iOS and BlackBerry. This aids in faster understanding and easy development. Cheaper apps. Android's wide user base allows scope for free downloads, resulting in cheaper apps than iOS. Free apps are available with ad revenue or in-apps purchase. Why Android is a powerful development framework. The Android platform provides best-in-class app experiences. It is a single application model which deploys all the apps to millions of users in diverse devices such as phones to tablets. The Android Studio tool develops great-looking apps and uses the hardware capacities of every device in the best way. It also adapts automatically to the UI and gives high visual appeal on each device. Programmers can provide their Android apps in Google Play Service, Google's marketplace for access to Android users. They only have to pay $25 once to upload unlimited number of apps in Google Play Store. Using Google Play application, customers can buy and install apps from Google Play Service. Why Android is the titan in the industry? According to Gartner Research, Android holds 84% market share in the smartphone industry. The global sales of smartphones to end users have been 349 million units in the first quarter of 2016, which is a 3.9% increase over the same period in 2015. According to IAMAI, 20 million app developers are required by 2020. According to Indeed.com from the salary data, average annual salary of an Android developer is $100,000. Android supporting devices. Android app can be built and installed on phones, tablets, Android TV device, or wearable gadgets. Our Certified Android App Developer course ensures that you become a professional Android app developer. It helps you gain thorough understanding of Android Studio installation, along with Android architecture. It is recommended to have working knowledge of Java for Android app development. Our Beginner Java course will help you gain vital knowledge if you are starting from scratch. Our course will help you to build and publish your own Android app in Google Play Store. We offer course completion certificate after you successfully complete the Certified Android App Developer training program. About the course. After this course, you will be able to understand about Android Introduction, Android Activity and Layouts, Android User Interface, Android Advanced User Interface, Android Intent, Android Menu Controls, Data Storage in Android, SQLite Database, how to create local database using SQLite Database, Android Service, how to execute background task, Content Provider, you can share data within application or outside application using Content Provider, Thread Handler and Async Task, you can execute long tasks using Async Task and Handler. Android Broadcast Receiver. You can receive Android device event and broadcast it with Broadcast Receiver. Android Fragment. Android Web Services. Android Google Map. GPS and Sensor. How you can use GPS and sensor in Android. Bluetooth, camera, and Wi-Fi. How you can implement Bluetooth, camera, and Wi-Fi in Android. Android app. Build your final app and learn to host the same. So enroll today and take the first step to become a developer in world's most growing app development industry. Thank you.